Greetings again, dear friends. I just want to take this opportunity to challenge Apostle Chiwenga to formally engage the church rather than making noise on the social media. He simply needs to write requesting all the people that he wants. Let him put that in writing to the church. Like I alluded in my other video, he knows how it is done. Rather than him wasting time making a lot of noise on social media, let him simply engage the church formally. He knows the procedure. With due respect, Mr. Chiwenga, please do that. Just simply write. When the church fails to respond to your letter, I want you to come and make noise to say, I have written to the church and they have refused, rather than wasting our precious moments making a lot of noise. There are believers who needs to be saved, Mr. Chiwenga, and we should not waste people's time. I just feel like the Bible, the scriptures have to be clarified as they are, have to be interpreted correctly. This is not the moment to waste precious moments trying to waste time that could have been used to make sure that people are saved. Please, with due respect, urgently do this rather than making a lot of noise. Thank you.